How to log in to JN Bank account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your JN Bank account online. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to go to the official website of JN Bank, which is jnbank.com. For that, you will need to open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar type in jnbank.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. And then, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of JN Bank. Once you reach this page, here at the bottom you will need to click on this accept all in order to accept all the cookies. And after that, at the top right, you will be able to see online banking option. Simply click on this online banking button and then you will be presented with this interface. Here you will need to choose between personal and business account. Simply click on this personal if you are logging into your personal account. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to a new page where you will be able to see the login interface. Here now you will need to enter your login credentials. In this first text box, enter your username. Make sure to enter it correctly. After that, in the second text box, here enter your password. Make sure to enter your password correctly. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also click on this forgot your credentials link just below the sign in box, and then from there you will need to follow the on-screen prompts and instructions given to you in order to reset or recover your credentials. And once after doing that, enter the correct credentials in this field and then click on the sign in button to proceed further. And if you have enabled two-factor authentication, then you will need to enter the verification code which will be sent to your registered mobile number, or you may also use the Google Authenticator. And once authenticated, you will be able to access your account. After that, you can manage your financials, pay bills and transfer the funds. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your JN Bank account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.